What's up YouTube? Got another video for you. This is the Air Jordan 5 right here. It's a GS size. Don't trip out. Got a receipt here. A lot of paperwork with these shoes these days. Here they are. Pair of Air Jordan 5s. These are pretty nice. What do you think of them? Let me know in the comment section down below. Come with a lot of interesting packaging, I think. There's like a piece of plastic covering this portion of the shoe. I've never seen that before. I guess it's protecting the tongue from the lace clip. Right here they have a piece of plastic protecting the tongue from the lace clip. That's pretty interesting. Ultimately, it's a nice pair of Jordan 5s. Great colorway. Got the black, red, and white. The bottoms are pretty classic. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Again, there'll be a link in the description to check these out on StockX. It is an affiliate marketing link, so check it out if you're interested in buying the shoe. GS sizing and adult sizing is available. So this is the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red Silver Tongue. Let me grab the other shoe here. I almost thought that there was no Jordan sticker on this pair, but thankfully we have one right here. That's super valuable. Because if you're missing out on the sticker, you basically have a worthless pair of shoes. I don't even know if I was being sarcastic there. Anyway, I think these are pretty nice. I, for one, might contemplate getting a pair for myself. Let's check out how they look on foot. Okay, on foot they were straight up fire. These are pretty sick Jordan 5s. You guys should check out the link in the description to cop them on StockX immediately. Like, this is a nice shoe. Let's just take it in one last time. Pair of Jordan 5s here. Great colorway. Check it out. Link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.